first aiders, professional first aiders here today. Should a rider go down and it's one of your riders, one of your family, I know it's hard to hold yourself back from running onto the track and go and give them a bit of assistance. Please have the correct plate on. If you do not have the correct plate number on when you're scored, you will not be there. Over Joey Graham in there wearing 862 into the third turn they go. They're still out in front there now. Gillett on this one here into turn number 4 down the final straightaways. He's led this one from go to O. It'll be Andrew Gillett. He'll take this one away. He was nicked that Paddy Wack there over 25. That must be the rider. Sorry, 24. Mark Taylor's in amongst them there. We've got Troy the Boy Ewins up the front as they make their way in and around the back short sharp straightaways there now. Other riders in there. Matty Brown's in there with Darren Goodwin, Jeremy McCleary's in amongst them as they make their way. We've got Ronald Keogh in there. Bevan Orchard's in amongst them as well, not too far off the pace. They make their way down the short sharp back straightaways there now. They're still out in front. Where's my old mate now with Yardley? He's a proud dad there now. Looks like Prixie's out in front there now with Jaden Lister sitting in the 2 spot as they make their way in and out of turn.